For thousands of years, humanity believed it had seen everything there was to see. Mountains, oceans, forests, and stars filled the world around us. But hidden in every drop of water, on every leaf, and inside every human body was an entire universe no one knew existed, a universe too small for the human eye to detect. Then one simple invention, a tiny piece of glass, changed science forever. This is the story of how humanity first discovered the invisible world. Before the microscope, in the early 1600s, disease was a mystery. Food spoiled without explanation. Wounds became infected, and doctors had no idea why. Many blamed bad air or even supernatural forces. The real cause remained hidden because the human eye can only see objects larger than about 1/10 of a millimeter. Beyond that limit was a world no one knew existed. The first microscopes. In the Netherlands, craftsmen perfected the art of grinding glass to make spectacles. As their lenses improved, they noticed something remarkable. Tiny objects appeared much larger. This inspired scientists to build instruments that could reveal the unseen. One of them was English scientist Robert Hooke. In 1665, using an early compound microscope, Hooke examined insects, needles, and plants with astonishing detail. Then he looked at a thin slice of cork. Instead of a solid surface, he saw thousands of tiny box-like compartments. He called them cells, a word that would become one of the foundations of biology. The cloth merchant who changed science. Meanwhile, in the Dutch city of Delft lived a cloth merchant named Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He wasn't a doctor or a university professor. He simply loved making incredibly powerful lenses. Driven by curiosity, he examined anything he could find: rainwater, blood, tooth scrapings, and pond water. Then came the moment that changed history. Looking into a single drop of pond water, Leeuwenhoek saw tiny living creatures swimming in every direction. He called them animalcules, or little animals. Today we know they were bacteria, protozoa, and other microorganisms. For the first time in history, humanity had seen microscopic life, a discovery no one believed. When Leeuwenhoek shared his findings, many scientists were skeptical. Invisible living creatures in ordinary water? It sounded impossible. But when others repeated his experiments, they saw the same thing. The invisible world was real. A scientific revolution. Microscopy transformed science. Scientists could now study cells, blood, bacteria, fungi, parasites, and eventually viruses. 2 centuries later, researchers like Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch used microscopes to prove that microorganisms cause disease. Without microscopy, there would have been no germ theory, no sterilization, no pasteurization, no antibiotics, and no modern microbiology. The ability to see the invisible changed medicine forever. Microscopes. Today, modern microscopes can do far more than Leeuwenhoek ever imagined. Fluorescence and confocal microscopes allow scientists to watch living cells in action, while electron microscopes reveal viruses and even the tiny molecular machines that keep cells alive. What began as a handmade lens has become one of the most powerful tools in science. Final thought. The greatest discoveries aren't always found in distant galaxies or deep beneath the oceans. Sometimes they've been right beside us all along, waiting for someone to look a little closer. A curious cloth merchant uncovered an invisible universe, and that discovery laid the foundation for modern biology, medicine, and biotechnology. The next time you look through a microscope, remember, you're seeing a world humanity lived alongside for thousands of years without ever knowing it existed. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Simple Science Explanations for more stories on scientific discoveries.